minute of collection of signatures, we already had the minimum required 42. We want to ensure that we are not going to take the motion with 42. We are going to take the motion with 100 signatures.
We've had an executive that is unresponsive. When you do letters, no response is coming from the executive side. When we allocate budget for bursary, again, the same budget is not realized.
However, KTN has learned that from Tuesday's State House meeting, the MCAs were threatened that they would be denied certificates of nomination in the 2027 elections should they not go slow on the impeachment motion. A section of MCAs who spoke to KTN says they have scheduled another meeting with the president Wednesday alongside the embattled governor in efforts to resolve the issues. Will President Ruto and Odinga rescue Sakaja from the impeachment plot? Daniel Kariuki, KTN.
Away from Nairobi County, former Bungoma Governor Wycliffe Wangamati and Bomet Governor Hilary Barchok have been freed on a 1.5 million shillings and 5 million shillings cash bail, respectively, over graft-related cases.
The cases will be mentioned on the 17th and 18th of September 2025.
Catherine Imuraget with more.
On Tuesday morning, former Bungoma Governor Wycliffe Wangamati, his brothers Michael Simiu and Edward Barasa, and other 8 co-accused, whom others are his extended family, appeared before Milimani Anti-Corruption Court Magistrate Zipporah Gishana on corruption-related cases. The magistrate delivered her ruling after hearing arguments from both the defense and the prosecution, and freed Wangamati on 1.5 million cash bail after he pleaded not guilty.
Wangamati and his terms of bond are a bond of 5 million, in the alternative a cash bail of 1.5 million. These terms also apply to the accused number 6 and 7.
Although during submissions, the defense lawyer Peter Wanyama urged the court to impose lenient terms, insisting the accused has fully cooperated with investigators and were not flight risks. Magistrate Gishana, however, ordered all accused to deposit their passports within 7 days and warned them against contacting or interfering with witnesses. The matter will return to court on September 17th for mention.
And we will sincerely request that you accord the accused persons reasonable cash bail term and bond terms.
Meanwhile, Bomet Governor Hilary Barchok has been freed on 5 million cash bail after denying corruption-related charges at the Milimani Anti-Corruption Court. She noted that while the prosecution had not opposed bail, the offences before the court were of a serious nature and required strict terms. The governor's co-accused were granted a bond of 5 million or an alternative cash bail of 2 million shillings.
Both accused persons are directed not to contact or in any way interfere with the prosecution witnesses by themselves or through proxies. Both accused persons are required to deposit their passports in court within 7 days from today's date. Further, they are not to leave Kenya or exit the Kenyan jurisdiction without leave of court.
The case will return to court on September 17th for mention and further directions. Catherine Imuraget, KTN.
Now, Kenya's education sector